Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to hide photos on Facebook. The first thing you need to do is open Facebook. Then you are going to tap on Profile at the bottom of the page right here in the bottom left hand corner. After doing that, you are going to see the option Manage Posts right below Real and Live, as you can see on my screen right here. You are going to tap on Manage Posts. Then from here you can simply tap on the photos or the posts that you would like to hide. After selecting the photos, you can simply tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. Then you are going to see the option Privacy All Posts. You are going to tap on that. Then from here you can select Only Me. So only you will be able to see those photos, and you would simply tap on Done, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.